Good day to my prospective employer. I am Silent Carranza Alves, 45 years old, separate with 3 daughters, aged 24, 23, and 13 years old. My father's name is Manuel Carranza. My mother's name is Erlina Carranza. I have 5 sisters, 3 brothers, and I'm sixth in the family. I'm a high school graduate. I am Catholic. I live in Sokol, Calamba, Laguna. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, playing with the kids, pet care, and gardening. I have 3 previous working experience abroad: UAE, Kuwait, and Saudi. My first working abroad is in UAE with 3 years finished contract with former family members, the couples and the twins. My main duties is to take care the children, preparing nutritious food, pitching and sending them to school, tutoring to their homework, playing with the kids, giving medicine if they needed, preparing snacks and lunch for their school, and giving full care attention. And also I do a household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes. My second employer is in Kuwait with 3 years finished contract with the family members 5, the couples and the children's, aged 9, 7, and 3 years old. My main duties there is cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. If the family go out for picnic, I'm also in charge to look them the children and keep them safe, together with together with the co-nanny Utopia. My third employer is in Saudi with 9 years and 5 months. With the 2 couple elderly, my main duties there is cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. And also, I'm in charge to monitor the vital signs and sugar level 3 times a day for the bedridden Baba for 9 years and 5 months, changing diaper 3 times a day, putting them putting to transfer them from bed to wheelchair, bathing, and changing clothes, giving medicine 3 times a day, injecting insulin 3 times a day. Please choose me as your nanny or workers because I am patient, friendly, hardworking, and trustworthy. I'm willing to work. I promise I will finish my contract for 2 years, and I'm willing to extend for a long time. Thank you for giving a time to know me, and thank you. See you soon.